Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily log into Filmzie with Facebook. So let's dive in straight into the video without wasting much of our time. Open your Filmzie application from your device. Also make sure that you are logged out of your Filmzie account first. Here, let me go ahead and quickly log out of this service. And once you are logged out from the main homepage of your Filmzie account, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right and then tap on Continue with Facebook when it asks you to log in or register. Now it'll ask you to access your Filmzie account to connect to your Facebook profile. Tap on the Continue button and then also make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. If prompted, you'll need to type in your Facebook account's credentials, and soon after you are done, you will be able to log into your Facebook Filmzie account with Facebook. So that is how you can easily sign in to Filmzie with Facebook. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.